You wanna hear a story? Come sit down, kid, we gotta talk about what Niall did. I mean, have you ever tried riding a grid? It's simple to get started with the easy step, but when you try adding pivots, things get tough. The story's start was a simple aspiration. Niall needs a grid in his application. It's undeniable, we need a grid that's reliable. We've got a long way to climb. It's gotta scale without fail and stand the test of time. It started one Christmas first, version 1. Man, Niall open sourced with a vision and a plan. Turns out his grid was what the people needed. His problems were shared, and that's why he succeeded. His grid went viral with his fundamental brilliance. Now he's got a team and dollars in the millions. Cause they're the grid masters, the best worldwide. They've got the most functionality simplified. You need enterprise stability, they're qualified. You'll never fail with them on your side. It's undeniable, it's HE Grid, reliable. We've had a long way to climb. Now we can scale without fail and stand the test of time. It started one Christmas, a project for fun. Now it's crazy to see how far they've come. You know it isn't always easy, but they get it done. Cause they built a great team and they work as one.
God damn it, Niall. Okay.
You feel hip hop rolling through your body? You feel the swag?
What up, yo?